Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a beautiful silver rose using silver clay paper. With Mother's Day just around the corner, this makes a meaningful and heartfelt handmade gift that's sure to impress. Silver clay paper is a special material made mostly of pure silver. It feels like thick paper, about 0.25 millimeters, and has a slightly sticky texture when first opened. The best part is that it can be cut, folded, and shaped like origami, all without the need for soldering or casting, making it a great option even for beginners. This project is rated 3 out of 5 stars, fun and rewarding, especially if you've practiced folding with regular paper. For today's project, we'll be using a 6 cm by 6 cm sheet of silver clay paper. When you first take it out of the package, it may feel a bit moist or sticky. Don't worry, that's normal. Just place the sheet on parchment paper and let it sit in the open air for about 5 to 8 minutes. It'll shrink slightly to around 5.5 centimeters and become easier to handle and fold. Before you get started, we recommend practicing the rose fold with regular paper. It helps you get familiar with the steps and boosts your confidence before using the silver paper. Once you're ready, carefully fold the silver sheet into a rose shape. Take your time and use tweezers or small shaping tools for finer details. You can also use a small amount of silver clay paste to help secure the folds or attach parts as needed. After shaping, let the rose air dry naturally or use a toaster oven. If you plan to turn your rose into a pendant, it's a good idea to drill a small hole using a hand drill at this stage. It's much easier to make the hole now than after firing. Once that's done, it's ready for firing. We're using a gas stove for firing. Place a metal mesh over the burner and turn the flame to low. Using tweezers, place your rose on the edge of the red-hot area. At first, the piece might briefly ignite and release white smoke. This is totally normal. After the smoke clears, increase the flame to medium and move the rose directly over the red-hot area. Fire it for about 20 minutes, turning the piece occasionally to ensure even heating. If you notice the rose glowing brightly, it means the temperature is too high. Move it away from the flame, lower the heat, and then continue firing. Keep turning it gently until the surface turns matte white. This means it's fully sintered and ready to cool. Once cooled, use a steel brush to gently remove the white residue from the surface. Then, use an agate burnisher to polish the rose and bring out a beautiful, smooth shine. And just like that, your handmade pure silver rose is complete. It's shiny, elegant, and perfect as a heartfelt gift or a unique piece of jewelry for yourself. Here are a few tips to make your project a success. First, practice folding with regular paper before starting with silver clay paper. Second, if the silver paper feels too moist or sticky, let it air out for a few minutes before working with it. Third, keep in mind that silver clay paper will shrink slightly during drying and firing. Fourth, drilling a hole before firing is much easier than doing it afterward. Fifth, always fire in a well-ventilated space and monitor the heat closely. If the piece starts glowing, lower the flame to prevent overheating or melting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming DIY silver clay projects. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!